Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So I'm up on a Grand Design Solitude and I'm walking around and doing my inspection, and some of the things that are popping out to me is right here. You see how this membrane's starting to kind of pick up a little bit? Well, I think the sheeting popped loose because when I step on it, you can see it flexing quite a bit. But as I look up here thoroughly, more through the center, there's a bunch of blistered lifting items. It's all kind of been like water's been getting in and made it all squishy, and it's caused the roof surface to deform. And then if you look up here real close, you're going to see there's a little baby tear there. There might be some other tears or some little snags or little penetrations somewhere around this area that I can't see because it's so small, whether it been from a pine cone or something like that. But something's definitely dropped in this area and made little pinholes and caused the roof surface to get wet underneath, allowing it to kind of lift and divot up. Sometimes we'll see it from units that get over glued, but this one I believe is from something dropping on it and penetrating it. There I can clearly see one spot, but there's also some others. The other stuff you can see too is the TPO starting to look a little bit worn down. It's just getting aged, and whatever was up here, these rusted spots, and you can see where my fingers, where I'm pushing on, how it's like the wood underneath of it's damaged from it, and it's all swollen and lifted up and causing marks on it. So anyways, I'm gonna see if we can turn this into the customer and have them turn in insurance and go from there. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you're paying attention to your roofs and your sealants. I did find some things on here too. I'll hit while I'm up here is the sealant on the TV antenna starting to crack. There were some bubbles and stuff on the skylight. There's some sheeting stuff up here that I don't like. I see a screw here at the end of the molding, but I don't see one at the end. I see some issues on the moldings there where it's it could be possibly letting water get underneath the material there. Same thing on this side. I can see here's the last screw, but there's none in the end. And then same thing with this stuff, is kind of looking bad. The insert moldings are bad. The side seams on both sides are all separating. If you can see that good there. So the insert moldings have been leaking because they're shrunk and dirty, and you can see all the dirt that's getting past that to the screw heads and into the track itself. So anyways, keep an eye on your screw cover. This again is supposed to be like a water deflectant, and whenever you can tap on it and you can hear that noise, it's usually a telltale sign that it's shrunk. So I'm gonna keep doing my thing and look this guy over a little bit more, get the information for everybody. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helps you. Hopefully it helps you spot what's going on with them. Thanks again. Bye-bye.